Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our Monday math lesson. We are going to get started with our counting song.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Alright, boys and girls, so today we are going to talk all about a number of the day. So I would like you to guess our number of the day. How many Sonics do we have? Alright, count with me. Are you ready? We're going to cross off and count. Oh, maybe not. If I can click it, we can. Alright, are we ready? Let's cross off and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder what our number of the day is. There's 6 Sonics on here. What about in our 10 frame? Let's cross off and count and see how many are in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the same number of Sonics. There were 6 Sonics and 6 circles in our 10 frame. Let's see with the count what our number of the day is.
It's time to get up and stop your feet. Do this great foot stomping Transylvanian beat. Start nice and slow. 1, 2, and speed up more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop the rain. Cause we're about to find out the number of the day. The number what's the number what is the number? The number of the day really pops and kicks. The number of the day is 6. So that's the number. Yes, that's the number. That's the number. The number of the day. That's the number. That's the number of the day. 6. Now let's stomp 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of the day.
Alright, boys and girls, so our number of the day is 6. The number 6, we are also talking about the same and different. So if we look at the apples, I put one apple on this side of the line, and I take another one and I put it over here on the other side of the line. Do I have the same amount on each side or different? There's one over here and one over here, so those are the same. I have the same amount of apples. what if I added 1 apple over here to make 1, 2? So I have 2 over here, and I have 1 over here. Are the amounts the same on each side or different? They're different because 1 is different than 2. It is not the same. All right, boys and girls, so what if I add 3 more over here, and I add 1 more over here? How many do we have on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples on this side. How many over here? 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 and we have 3. Is that different or are they the same? They're different. Now, if we take 1 away from here, we have 1, 2, 3. And then on this side, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 3. The numbers are the same. All right, boys and girls, your practice pages for today are matching up to the number 6. You are drawing the same number of dots in this box as this one across from it. You are practicing your numbers all the way up to the number 6 today, and you are counting the objects in the purple box for each number and writing how many in the green box. All right, boys and girls, this is our last week of math with remote learning, and then we get to be doing this in the classroom. Have a good week, guys.